Kim Kardashian reveals she's having a baby boy with Kanye West. Ever since Kim and Kanye shared the news that baby number 2 is on the way, there's been buzz about whether they're expecting a girl or a boy. And now the whispers and wondering can come to an end because last night, just before midnight on Father's Day, Kim revealed via Instagram that the Wests are expecting a baby boy. Kim posted this photo of Kanye reading to North and wrote, "Precious moments like this when we're traveling on tour with you are what I live for. You're such a good daddy to North, and you will be the best daddy to our new son too." Yes, you heard that right. Kim and Kanye are having a baby boy, and that means baby North, who just turned 2 years old, will have a new brother this December. There have been rumors surrounding Kim's pregnancy, many of which she's clarified via Twitter. Almost 2 weeks ago, Kim wrote, "So many rumors. We are not having twins. Yes, I am carrying my own baby, LOL, and we have not told anyone the sex of our baby yet. But now that we know the sex, what will they name the newest member of the West family?" If you were thinking they would go with another directional name, think again. Kim spoke to NPR last week and said,
"I don't like Southwest, though, because that's like where, North will always, be better and be more, she has a better direction."
She also made it clear that, quote, "nothing is confirmed unless you hear it from her." You tell him, Kim. What do you guys think of how Kim shared the news? Are you excited to see how she dresses a little baby boy? Let me know all of your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe and then click right over here to check out 4 mind-blowing makeup products. Thanks for watching Clevver News. I'm Danielle Robay, and I'll see you next time. Click to the left to check out Dad Does Daughter's Makeup, and click to the right to check out 4 ways to curl your eyelashes.